I can talk a bit about the design system.
Yeah, awesome.
At which
Please.
stage we are right now. All right. So we we had a meeting where I was talking about this Chakra UI Figma Community Kit, which contains already a lot of components like tables, input tags, and the idea would be to customize those with the Moonshot color theme and have our own component library for the Moonshot Collective within Figma, and then the developers would need to translate those components into React components, and that's what I did for like this button, for example. It's gonna be the Moonshot button, and this is the basic one, so it's always gonna look like this, and if you hover, it looks like that. And the developers can see the props there, and yeah, like the different states and variants. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. For now, it's just a raw chakra, but the idea is to customize everything so that it looks more like Moonshot Collective branding.
Awesome.
So that's pretty much it.